Lights, Camera, Cook. Next Best Junior Chef, Episode 1. Ray has her hands full when she enters Next Best Junior Chef, the hottest reality competition show on television. The show's challenges are tough, and so are her opponents, particularly Oliver. Can Ray keep her cool when things get heated in the kitchen? After a quick beverage break, Chef Nancy marched everyone over to the filming studio. The cameras were waiting and rolling. Okay, it's time to team up for our next mini challenge. Teams? Tate hopped up and down, looking at Oliver and then Chef Nancy again. Can we pick our own teams? Chef Nancy called Ray to the front. Ray gets first pick of her teammate because she won the last challenge. Ray smiled at Caroline. This was an easy choice. Chef Nancy held up a green bag. Time to pick your partner. There are 3 envelopes in here, each with a name on it. Ray's smile disappeared. Chef Nancy held the bag while Ray put her hand in and felt each envelope. Which one was Caroline's, or even Tate's? She closed her eyes and made a wish. Any name except Oliver's. But the wish didn't matter, because each envelope was exactly the same inside and out. It was Chef Nancy's secret. They all said Oliver. Ray pulled an envelope halfway out, then changed her mind and chose a different one. Chef Nancy opened the envelope and read out the winning name. Congratulations, Oliver. Come join your partner. Rolling, shouted Steve. Everyone gathered around while Chef Nancy explained the mini challenge. Ray and Oliver stood next to each other, grumpy and uncomfortable. Chef Nancy smiled. Here's a clue. The team with the strongest muscles will win this one. Any ideas? Cooking, food, muscles. Ray was thinking out loud. Caroline's face lit up. Mussels, the kind from the ocean. All right, so you're going to go up top and answer these questions. The key idea is, what is the next best junior chef? So go back to the first page, 44, to find this answer. Make inferences. Reread paragraph 6. That's this paragraph right here. Why does Chef Nancy put Oliver's name in all of the envelopes? And then react and write. Why does Ray's smile disappear when Chef Nancy explains what the green bag is for? Use text evidence in your response.